Minimalism is a lifestyle in its own right. Welcome back. I'm Prime. In today's episode, we'll analyze the best minimalism tips and tricks for saving more money. Minimalism is focusing on practicality to live better. We eliminate superfluous things to refocus on the essential. It is also a good way to save money. In recent years, the term minimalism has become more valuable. In our society, there is a material quest for buying more stuff. Consciousness is gradually awakening and people are beginning to connect with this idea of a minimalist lifestyle. Minimalists forsake the consumer-driven society and rely on useful things in life. Let's dig deeper and discuss the best minimalist tips and tricks. Tip 1. Shop online. More and more supermarkets allow you to shop online. It's a good way to save time and also money. By staying in front of your computer, you avoid impulse and unnecessary purchases that would otherwise tempt you when seeing the shelves in the stores. It's much easier to stick to your list when there's no temptation around. The extra advice if you still shop in store is to avoid going there with an empty stomach. When you're hungry, you tend to buy a lot more. Tip 2. Cut spending that is not essential. Do you have a gym membership but only go once a month? Forget it. Instead, exercise at home or swap public transportation for walking or cycling. It's also a good time to check your other subscriptions, phone, internet or newspapers. You may be paying too much on them. Oh, and by the way, cut the TV and turn to alternatives like Netflix or YouTube, for example. Tip 3. Sell what you no longer use. You never know, maybe I'll need it someday. No. These jeans that have been hanging around your dressing room for 4 years, you'll probably never put them back on. Save space and earn some money by selling it. Today, there are more and more platforms on which the transaction can be done very quickly and securely. Sort your objects and stay rational. An object you haven't used in the last 2 years is something you don't need. Tip 4. Rent books instead of buying them. In addition to having an impact on our planet, it will greatly reduce your expenses if you are a reading enthusiast. Today, most libraries have recently released books, so you have no excuse. If books are really important to you, then buy them second-hand. They are often in great condition and cheap. Tip 5. Focus on quality over quantity. To avoid spending excessive money, buy quality items. Of course, the price will be bigger, but there's a better chance that a qualitative product will last longer. This will save you from having to buy a new one 3 months later because the initial one broke. Tip 6. Live according to your needs and not according to your paycheck. As soon as we receive our salary, many of us want to spend it almost instantly. Bad idea. Just because you have a certain amount available in your bank account doesn't mean you have to spend it all. Meet your needs and think before you embark on a purchase that you don't consider essential. Tip 7. Use promo codes and hunt for discounts. Take advantage of the low prices of the sale season. If you need new clothes, go to the store. You can try them on and avoid purchasing something that doesn't suit you. We all have new clothes that have been bought on the internet and were never returned because of the trouble of sending them back before you make a purchase. Look for the best price by browsing different websites. Also, keep a lookout for promo codes. They usually give big discounts. Tip 8. Stop overconsumption. 12 shower gels, 5 shampoos, and 9 after shampooing, etc. These are not useful in your bathroom. Finish your beauty products before you buy more. This is also true with makeup, especially since cosmetics often have an expiration date. This advice can be applied to many other areas: clothes, household products, but also food. Avoid stocking and consume what you have at home. Bonus tips. Keep a notebook of your expenses. Set a budget for each category: food, leisure, transport. Never spend more than you make. Sell your car and use Uber services. Stop buying more furniture, sell your TV and start watching free streaming like YouTube. We'll discuss even more in future videos, so stay tuned and please subscribe and like. It helps us support this channel and keeps us working on providing better life hacks to our audience. Make smart choices. Hack your life. Live fully. Prime out.